So your DPF light's on, you've gone into limp mode, you're probably wondering what's going on and you've gone on the internet. The thing you need to realise is you're asking probably the wrong question. DPF filters are supposed to block. The question should be, why is your DPF not cleaning itself? If you're interested, this is a chunk of DPF here. This is what's causing you all the hassle. If you're hoping to get a fix to the problem you're suffering at the moment, you need to start with a detailed evaluation. There is no point in getting on the phone and phoning around asking people how much is it to clean my DPF, because it will make no difference. Your DPF will block in a very short period of time unless you actually deal with the root cause. Why is your system not cleaning itself? Give us a call on 0191 386 3422 for our Durham branch, or 0191 731 4233 for our Newcastle branch. We can get you booked in, complete an evaluation, find out why your system is not maintaining itself. Then you can talk about having the DPF cleaned after whatever needs repairing is repaired. Thanks very much for watching.